Are you a business owner struggling to manage your business processes effectively? Worry no more. Introducing CashERP, the all-in-one online business management software used by companies worldwide to manage their business efficiently at a low cost. Why do businesses globally use CashERP? It helps them handle everything: invoicing, accounting, purchasing, CRM, HR, payroll, marketing, and inventory management. Who can use CashERP? It's a software for every business. How many users does it support? CashERP is scalable. You can add extra users to meet your demand. Ready to get started? Visit www.casherp.com and click Start Trial for free. No credit card needed, and you can cancel anytime.